Here's another 3D printed MCM birdhouse I created for a customer. The last birdhouse I showed was the Park Place. This one is called the Lombard. This one is more in the style of an apartment. It features a cool design inset in the front in gold. This house was printed using 7 pieces and then put together by hand. The front also has an oversized perch in gold. My customer wanted a unique color combo, so we opted for a grayish blue roof and orange accent color. It also has a little nesting box with sliding maintenance door. The top can be used for a little bird bath or feeder. So what do you all think? Do you like this style of birdhouse?